is Patience Ofei. I am the customer care manager for Longrich PGW marketing company in Ghana. I'm also the products brand ambassador for Longrich PGW Ghana. I'm going to talk to you about Longrich. Longrich is a manufacturing company that has been in existence for over 30 years. It's a multinational company and it produces a wide range of over 2,000 worth of organic products. So I'm going to take you through all the products that we have in Longrich. Stay tuned. Next on the list is this amazing product, which I personally love so much. This is the Longrich Green Tea, just similar to the Longrich Brown Tea. This tea is popularly known as the constipation tea. This tea is very good for digestive detox, hence it's good for ensuring free bowel movements. It helps in treating constipation and piles. It's good for detoxing the liver, flushing out all excess toxins within the liver. This tea is good for treating jaundice, so all people with jaundice problems, this is a tea for you. It's also very good for treating leukemia, which is cancer of the red blood cells. It helps in treating all fever-related conditions, malaria, all the fever conditions. This tea is a tea for you. This tea again helps to ensure good metabolism. So if you just feel uneasy with yourself or your system, try this tea and you're going to be relieved. This tea is good for relaxing and soothing all the body organs. It's good for treating insomnia and it's good for overall body function and good health. So take this tea and stay healthy. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this section and you have learned a lot about the benefits of all the Longrich products. Well, I have great news for you. Longrich gives you amazing opportunities to earn in so many different ways. You can be a user of our products and earn a lot of money. You can also share your testimonies about using the products with your friends and family and also earn a lot of money. You can as well be a distributor or a brand ambassador for the company and also earn amazing prizes and a lot of money. There are also fantastic incentives that comes along with the money you can earn from Longrich. You can drive your own dream car, you can put at that house that you've always wanted to, you can have opportunities to travel around the world and also get education scholarships locally and abroad. You can also win so much more from just using the products and just being a distributor or being a partner with Longrich. So what are you waiting for? Come join us now. For more details or information, contact the numbers you see on your screen, or you can also visit and take trainings with us at our training center at Sapeman Macedonia Road, Amasaman in Accra, or you can also visit our website on mylongrichbusiness.com. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for joining us. See you later.